Meaning of Early English.
Early English.
Early English.
Early English.
Early English. Early English refers to the style of architecture and design prevalent in England during the 12th and 13th centuries. It is characterized by its pointed arches, ribbed vaults, and elaborate ornamentation, such as intricate stone carvings and stained glass windows. This style was heavily influenced by Gothic art and architecture from France, but the English developed their own unique variations. Notable examples include Canterbury Cathedral and Westminster Abbey. Overall, Early English represents a significant period of architectural and artistic innovation in England, and continues to be celebrated and emulated today.